Would you rather diagnose a no cool call on the hottest day of the year or a no heat call during a blizzard? Would you rather clean a furnace coated in pet urine and packed with years of pet hair, or work on an outdoor AC unit with a live snake wrapped around it? Would you rather replace a compressor or spend 3 hours chasing an intermittent electrical problem? Would you rather diagnose a problem that only happens when you aren't there, or explain to a customer why their 35-year-old AC really does need replacing? Would you rather get called out at 11 p.m. on Christmas Eve or work every Saturday during the hottest month of the summer? Would you rather spend 3 hours in a cramped, muddy crawl space or 3 hours in an attic on the hottest day in summer?